What's up, beautiful disasters? How are y'all doing? I hope you guys are having a good day. I went to Dollar Tree today. I just dropped a really quick, sort of video, sort of short, what I found at Dollar Tree, which I think is a Maybelline dupe. If you haven't seen it, you need to go check that out. And it's on all of my platforms. I mean, it's everywhere. You should be following me. Are you following? Okay, let's move on. Anyway, it's kind of like one of those things, like, when you're on a site and then it gives you like that coupon, you know what I mean? Where it wants you put your email address in to get the coupon, and then it's got that little thing about, like, do you not like to save money? That's kind of like that's me. I'm the link. Do you not like to save money? Okay, all right. Well, there you go. All right, so let me show you what I got from Dollar Tree today. I mean, first of all, I was very, very surprised by a lot of things that they have. I am extra excited to try a lot of these things. Also, I did my first vlog. Hello, I don't know exactly how to do that like yet, like an everyday. I will not vlog every day, because I think the devil is in vlogging every day. Yeah, so I did my first vlog. They'll come just when they come. So, check it out. But I had a great experience at the Dollar Tree. Like I said, look at the video, go check out the video, and you'll see all the cool stuff. Some things I brought and some things I didn't, though. So if you want to see everything that I actually saw at Dollar Tree that's new and exciting, then check out my vlog, all right? So for the things that I purchased, though, you can judge, you just can't condemn. Okay? So, we're going to move on. Oh my gosh. The Starry Night Globe Light, color changing. We definitely need batteries for this. I will put this on at the end of the video so we can see exactly what this does, how Lord, oh, help me. All right. I am going to try this at the end of the video. So I'm going to put, some batteries in it, and then we're gonna try it and see, like, if it's really bright and all that. So I'm super excited to try this. Yeah. Them vocals. Okay. Now we have this Spa-scriptions Firming Anti-Wrinkle Neck Cream with peptides and hyaluronic acid. Smooth, tighten, hydrate. It's paraben-free, not tested on animals, fragrance-free, and alcohol-free. I am super excited to try this. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I really want to see what this is about. This looks like this might actually do something, or at least try to. It's sulfate-free. Phthalates free. It's for all skin types. It's given back to the community. At least that's what it says. I don't know exactly how. It's comedogenic. Yeah. pH balanced. Yeah, because, well, for a minute, because I don't know why, but every time I hear something about a pH balance, I be thinking about but I forget that skincare has to have a pH too. You know what I mean? I'm excited. Now, I'm not going to lie to you. A lot of the peptides is towards the bottom of the ingredient list. So is the hyaluronic acid. Now, the shea butter is kind of close at the top. It has collagen in it. Shea butter, collagen, hyaluronic acid, and the peptides. So, yeah, I'm really, really, really excited to try this and, you know, see if it does anything at all. Let's open her up. This is what it looks like. And yeah, it has no smell. So this is definitely fragrance free. There's no fragrance. Apply evenly to clean neck, gently massaging in upward motions. Use daily for best results. Now I don't have like loose skin or anything, but I mean, I'm not trying to get any either. So I'm going to use this. And yeah, I mean, I won't be able to see any actual results. I'm going to be honest with you. I don't have anything that it could possibly do. I don't have any lifting or firming or anything that needs to be done, but still, like, I don't want to have a saggy neck at any point in time. So I'm going to start using this now. All right. And I'm going to see what it's all about. So the next thing I saw was this Spa Fillable Bath Brush. Y'all, I have never seen this at the Dollar Tree. This is so cool. It says open the lid, add liquid inside, use brush to clean. I'll probably go ahead and insert here me seeing this and finding this in the Dollar Tree. They had a couple of different colors. This is so soft. Okay, so it's definitely... Oh, okay. So you put the liquid in there. It comes out through these holes on the other side. Were you able to see the hole? I hope you can see the hole. But yeah, I mean, this is going to be really gentle in the shower. So I'm excited to try this. I really am. I'm actually going to take a shower right after this. So I may even just ping at the end if I like this or not. All right. So yeah. All right. Next.
Another new item. A Spa Fillable Bath Brush. Oh my goodness. Let me just show you. So open the lid, add liquid, use brush to clean. I am going to get one of these. I'm going to try it with the scrub that we just got. I wonder if that's going to like do something to the body. I don't know. Let's just see. I'm going to get a pink one. Okay guys, so I just got finished using this and this is a no. This is a no-go. It's soft. Well, I would say it's not soft. It's gentle. But as far as, you know, the soap actually coming out, you have to add water to your soap for anything to come out of the holes. Also, you have to squeeze this thing for anything to come out, and when you do that, this pops right on in. It goes in, and you have to fish it out while you're in the shower, which is a headache. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. See, I'm doing it with one hand, and... okay. So, and as you can see, like, you know, you have to put water in it, and your soap, because your soap will be too thick, and it won't come out. Not worth the $1.25. Okay, beautiful disasters, I'm back. So I have batteries in both, and let's see what they're talking about. And we're going to see how bright these things are. Was it worth it? Even for $1.25, it still has to be worth the $1.25. Money is money. Alright, so, really? It's not projecting anything. It's not projecting anything. It's just glowing, but it's not, you don't see anything on my, no. This is a no. What's up, beautiful disasters? I hope y'all are having a great day. So I was at Dollar Tree today getting content for a video, and I just had to push this out immediately, okay? Dollar Tree is coming from Maybelline's neck, alright? So I was at Dollar Tree and saw these. Have you seen these in your Dollar Tree? This one is mocha, and this one is rosy pink. They looked really familiar to me, and I'm going to tell you why. Have you ever seen these? This is Maybelline, guys. Maybelline's lipstick.
Deactivating. I do not understand. Do you wish to delete? All systems down.